Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on XRP discussion for the last day of the month of March. It's 31st and we're looking for discovering the movements of the market. Meanwhile, the whole crypto space has decreased over last day. It's clear that BTC suffered the most. It is 3.6% right now downwards. Ethereum is doing a little better, yet Ripple XRP is at 1.14%. Still the best for the past 7 days on 22.68%. We're quite happy to see that. Now, besides the technicals, for those of you interested in my AI trading with ChatGPT, the bot that we are performing, feel free to check out our main YouTube channel to see videos about it and presentations. As well, we have a report with explanations on how you can participate and be part of the movement. There's also a possibility with no prior fee, only commission from pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API permission. So I'll talk about this one at the end a little more. However, the XRP 1 hour candlestick situation sits in the following way. At the very moment, we're coming after a strong rejection appearing on 1.618 Fibonacci. This is a level located on 55 cents, which is a mark of resistance. A resistance that is portrayed in a horizontal way, with very stable structure of a top. So that being said, whatever is above has just been an exercise of liquidity grabbing process, especially the Alert Wave Impulse number 5, in which we have pushed the price action very close to 58.5, around that level. We're very close to 59 cents for the Ripple. And actually, whatever was above 55 cents was a strong liquidity grabbing process. A deviation is about to get formed, and the retracement is awaited across the whole market. As you saw, BTC, Ethereum, everything is actually sitting on red. So that means we get right now resistance by 1.618, but this is still in the tops. Deviation is forming, retracement is going to be triggered straight afterwards, which will pull us down to the golden pocket, that's a level, to the 50 cents, which is number 1 Fibonacci, and then our two uptrending support lines, which are still on the table. If you're wondering about the percentages, well, from here, you got a 13% to the golden pocket, you have a 18% to the first support line, and then to the second layer support line, there is a 24%. All these ones are sitting on the table. Less likely the number 1 Fibonacci, which is just 7.71% from the current level. If a retracement is going to take place, this is going to be significant. Usually such retracements are going into the double digit areas, which means they're not under 10% decreases. However, things are looking decent right now for Ripple. There's nothing to be afraid of or worried about. It is a movement that is necessarily, and for the ones that are just expecting upside without any retracements or pullbacks, are basically having a unrealistic perspective towards the market that is most likely fueled by their desires and not by the way the markets are functioning. So education is first, and then we take action on the charts in order to act as we have learned to. However, once again, for those of you which are interested basically in our AI trading, make sure to check out the forum and get into the details of that. There is the ability for you to get the documentation, get the information going through for the AI trading with the bot. Like I said, two options. You either prefer on commission from pure profits or a fixed fee. This is up to you. We have our weekly performance listed. This is my activity here, guys. Anyone that would like to participate can do so. You can complete the form or contact me directly. All the links in the description area. As for the one-on-one coaching that we have, if you think education is important, that can change the results of your performance, you need to work on the source of that. So over the next few minutes, I'd like to talk about it. Have a good time, subscribe to the channel in the meantime. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.